So I'm an ER doctor and I got a story you're going to love. Imagine this, I'm working in a county hospital and a young couple comes in and she's complaining of some discharge from her genital area. She says it's been going on the past couple of days and she noticed a very foul odor the previous night when they were trying to be intimate. So I tell the couple, no problem, we see this all the time, we'll set you up, we'll do a pelvic exam, check for some infections, I'm sure we'll find the culprit. A short time later, the ER tech tells me she's ready for her exam. I walk into the room, the woman is set up for the pelvic exam on the pelvic exam table, the husband is sitting in a chair against the wall reading a book. Which book, you ask? None other than the Holy Bible. So I sit down and I start the pelvic exam, and the first thing I notice is a copious amount of discharge with a very foul odor. As I'm doing the examination, I think I see something way in the back behind all of the discharge, and I ask her, do you think maybe you left a tampon in here? Because this actually happens a lot where women forget they left in tampons and develop an infection. She says, no, I don't use tampons. There shouldn't be anything in there. By this time, the whole room is curious, what am I going to pull out during this exam? So I'm fishing around with the exam and I'm reaching back with the forceps trying to get the foreign body. And finally, I think I've got it. I tell them, I've got it. Okay, here it comes. All eyes are looking up. I'm able to extract it from its location and I pull it, lift it up, and everybody sees it is a very used condom. Husband drops his Bible on the floor, puts his hand over his face and storms out of the room. I tell the patient, don't worry about this. We see this actually all the time. It's no big deal. I finish up the exam and walk out of the room to talk to the husband. As I approach a husband, I try to reassure him as well. I say, sir, please don't worry. Don't be embarrassed. We actually see this quite a lot, and it's no big deal. He looks me in the face and he says, is it no big deal for the other husbands that have had a vasectomy 5 years ago and do not use condoms? If you thought that situation was painful, hit the follow button and check out my other stories.